Hey everybody, Kerry here from Babs Speed Warehouse. And I want to talk about the term Druzy. Now, Druzy refers to microcrystallization in a mineral. And you can see in this pyrite ball, you can see just the glistening. Look at it in there. That is microcrystallization of pyrite. It's really cool. And this happens in a lot of different gemstones that you wouldn't think about. We've had Druzy chrysocolla, obviously Druzy pyrite, Druzy agate, Druzy amethyst, and it's just really tiny crystals, crystal formations that look like diamonds. Now they can occur large like this, and I've actually had turquoise with this Persian turquoise with the pyrite and the turquoise, because pyrite grows with turquoise a lot of times, and the pyrite had the microcrystallization. That was really cool. Let me move this aside. And let's take a look at this. Let's see if we can focus this a little better. Okay, let's go and do an autofocus on that. Okay, so over here you'll see the druze inside. We call this a hippie stone. This is agate. And inside there, it's hard to see with this, but you can see it in person. Let me bring out another stone. This is a quartz, and let's focus in on that. That's a terrible focus. Let's there we go. Now you can see the sparkling. It sparkles more in person, but you can see it. Look at it go around like that. So that's the word we're learning today is Druzy. Now, if I'm not mistaken, the name Druzy comes from the term druze, which is a microcrystallization in your eye. So I don't know much about that, but that's what I was told. I could Google it, but I'm too lazy right now. So let's go and see if we can see it in there. You can see it kind of sideways in there. There it is. You can see it. Look at that. Hey, these are only 20 bucks each if you come into the store. These are really, really cool. So, hey, and if you want this one, just contact me through YouTube. Put a comment. I'm interested in that. We'll sell it to you. I'm also selling the big pyrite. This is $100 if anybody's interested in it. So that's the word of the day. If you enjoyed the video, hit subscribe, hit like, hit all kinds of things. We're trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, as I say over and over again. And I hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video.